Hello, everyone. My name is Naohiko Kotake from Keio University. And so I will explain about data-driven urban adaptability project, JOAD. The main purpose of our project to design data-driven disaster response systems depend on time of day, season, and location for megacities. In this project, various members from 3 countries, United States, Taiwan, and Japan join. Then our main target is the main train station from New York City, Taipei, and Tokyo. So this is motivations, and you can see the 2 pictures. And we took these pictures at the same places, Tokyo train stations. And left side, and you can see so many people because this picture was taken the rush hour in the morning. And right side, we can see the time on the picture and about 3 p.m. And so there are a few people, but the same places. However, we apply the disaster planning at the same scenarios in these situations. So existing program, and so currently the most disaster planning has relied on limited analysis regarding possible disaster scenarios. And so we does not distinguish among event time of day, work day versus weekend. And for example, the work days, so many business person use the train station, but the weekend, family members and younger people and elder people also use the train stations and seasonal locations. So we should take care of these differences. And sometimes we fail to capture the diverse needs from the affected social groups, needs from the business person and the needs from the family members, and also the needs from the international people is different. And so that we design disaster planning with the limited scenario and country, and we would like to change these situations. Then future scenario, and we try to consider the method and the pattern to design replicable and transferable data-driven disaster planning for disaster preparedness and response in megacities. And so key technology is data and data analysis. And in this project, we try to get various kind of data. And the first one is mobile phone data because so many people already use a mobile phone and many applications. So we could try to get the location data and the behavior of users. And SNS is also important data, and we try to receive the, for example, the search engine data and some post data on SNS. And open data is also important, and weather data and person trip data can be used for our project. And in this project, we collaborate with local government and company who manage target places. Then they provide some lessons learned and also population statistics data. And with these data, we can analyze the past disaster and we can estimate the future situations. And with this data, for example, that we can calculate the number of the people for the target places. Then we can detect the abnormal situations. So our project, we try to create a model or pattern of people activity and movement. And also the one of the key point of our project is to use not only technical science, but also the social sciences. And so we visited, try to get many data, the why people do the behaviors and the locations with some observation and questionnaire and interviews. Then, so we try to consider to develop disaster plan based on people activity simulation diverse from pattern modeling with various data. So we have three work packages, and the first one is to collect, analyze, and simulate data of hazard and human response to hazards. And so we have two variables, human variable and environmental variables. And so we can try to understand this variable with technical data and social data. And with this, the work package one, we try to design and evaluate data-driven disaster response system for target places. And from the work package one and work package three, we can get the system needs and also scenario of human towards hazard. And scenario of human hazard is the different from among the three cities. Then after considering the design, the system, we try to consider how to adapt our system to the target train stations. And mainly the three train stations and New York City, Taipei, and Tokyo. However, we would like to try to expand our idea to other countries. And currently we're already collaborating with the Thailand University and the Malaysian universities. So team members, and first, and we are Keio University, and we are doing a research and education at the Graduate School of System Design and Management. And our member has a specialty of system design and disaster management and geoinformation systems. And the University of Tokyo is also a key player in Japan side. And Professor Kato has the many experiences, the disaster management in Tokyo train stations. And so we use a big data from the mobile phone, and Yahoo provide many location data and SNS data. And Dr. Tsubouchi contribute our project as a big data specialist. And Mitsubishi Estate has many building and location around Tokyo train station. Then they have many data. For example, they have many camera data. They provide lessons runs and the data. And Kokusai Kogyo is a survey company, and also they provide their specialty for the target places. And local government is also very important. And so Tokyo Metropolitan Government provide many open data, and also they provide their experiences. And from the United States, and Professor Upumalal from Columbia University lead their team. And as you may know, the Columbia University is located in New York, and they have many experiences. And also the University of California, Irvine, and the Disaster Recovery Institute join our project. And so mainly they consider to how to improve the disaster response and management for the New York train stations and the Pennsylvania stations. And third one is Taiwan. And Dr. Kuei Sen Liao lead this project from National Taipei University. And the academic Sinica also joined this project, and they try to improve the disaster response for the Taipei main train station. Then the first step, we try to get the various kind of needs from 3 train stations, and we try to design our systems. And also each member visit Tokyo, New York, and Taipei. And for 3 years, we consider to the good design for disaster response and management plan. So I'm very happy to join this Belmont Forum, DRC. And so we are trying to contribute this project. So thank you very much.